In this video, we're going to be reviewing the M1 iMac keyboard because, you know, we like typing on this channel. Timestamps are going to be down below. Let's get started. All right, so first of all, the build. Immediately when taking this keyboard out of the box, you can tell the Apple quality. It's extremely well built and feels very durable. It comes in this sweet aluminum body that provides it a lot of support. And coming around the back, it charges by lightning, which is right beside the power switch because this is a Bluetooth wireless keyboard. The keycaps are plastic, but still feel really good. Now, in terms of the design, I'm actually a huge fan of keyboards without the numpad because I don't really use them, and I feel that the smaller design like this just looks way cleaner in a desk setup. On the keyboard, you've got media controls, Siri, app switcher, emojis, and a ton more, and even a lock button, but on the upgraded iMac, that lock button becomes a Touch ID sensor. And when compared to the MacBook Pro keyboard, these function keys are actually the same exact size as the regular keys themselves, so everything is uniform. Overall, this keyboard has a really compact design, but that said, it's not tiny and it's really the perfect size. On the back of the keyboard, there's this very subtle Apple logo, which looks really clean. And overall, just looking at the design of this keyboard, it is extremely thin. Now, although it's thin, it looks great and it's extremely durable. Because of how small it is, there is a very shallow typing experience. But even for me, as somebody that prefers this keyboard is a little bit too shallow for me. That's why I really like the chiclet style keyboard, because even though it's extremely thin, there is a little bit more key pressing that happens. That's not to say that this is bad at all. I would give it a 9 out of 10. Something that is worth mentioning though is that this keyboard is not backlit, which is actually pretty disappointing because I feel that it would have really made this keyboard well-rounded. Now, without further ado, let's get into the typing tests. Trash. Okay, this is the one. If I don't get over like 105, I messed up at the end. One more. 112 with 92 accuracy, that's actually not that bad. I don't know. Ugh. So if you want to buy the keyboard separate from the iMac, it's gonna cost $100 American. And it also only comes in white, none of the colored options like how this keyboard has the blue accent. It's only gonna come in white. Let me know down in the comments if you're willing to pay for this keyboard. And if you're getting it alongside your iMac, then I think you're really gonna like it. Check out this video with my iMac first impressions and subscribe for making it to the end. Thanks for watching.